Welcome to your first lesson in accounting, lesson 1-1, probably the most important one, the accounting equation. So let's talk a little bit about accounting. Accounting, to me, is a language of business. In order to make good, wise business decisions, you need to know basic accounting skills. The book definition of accounting is the planning, recording, analyzing, and interpreting of financial information. Key word here is finance. We all like money. We all like to have money. Businesses really like to have money, but it's important to keep good track of your money, and that is what accounting is all about. The main job for accountants is to prepare financial statements to summarize the financial condition and operations of the business so owners and managers know what to do next and to make wise business decisions. We are going to start doing the basic accounting for a service business. Service business would be any business that performs an activity for a fee. For example, a hair salon, a mechanic. Their main job is to do something for you. We will also be doing the accounting for a proprietorship, which is a business owned by just one person. To get a little bit fancier, we will then talk about partnerships and on to the next one, which is a corporation, which is a company owned by stockholders, or you sell stocks for people to get into. But we won't get that complicated yet. So now the accounting equation. Assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. If you can remember that simple phrase, you'll be in good shape all year long. Now, what are assets? Assets are anything that we own. Supplies. Insurance would be an asset. Cash. Those are all things that we personally have bought for the company. Liabilities are what you owe. Let's say you buy some supplies. You put it on account. You eventually have to owe the company you bought those supplies from money. So those are a liability to us. You've probably heard of liabilities in like dealing with car insurance, where you create an accident, you are liable for those person's damages, which mean you have to owe them money. And the last is owner's equity, which is your worth. If we flip this equation around, put liabilities on this side, it would say assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. So if we take what we own minus what we owe, it's what we have left over. So that's our owner's equity, what eventually you are worth. And that is the accounting equation. Now let's go on to our first assignment. Work together 1-1 focuses on completing the accounting equation. Remember, the accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. So in order to keep the accounting equation equal, what do we have to do here? I have $3,000 in liabilities, $8,000 in owner's equity. So what do I have in assets? $11,000. There we go. Now I have $10,000 in assets, $6,000 in owner's equity. So how much liabilities do I have? $4,000. And last, I have $63,000 in assets. I owe $35,000 in liabilities. So what am I worth? And again, if you need to use a calculator, you can just get on the computer and use that one. And so I'm worth $28,000, or I have $28,000 in owner's equity. Pretty simple. Remember this equation throughout this entire year, and you'll be in good shape. Let's check answer. We're good to go. Then we're going to hit save and continue. Have fun!